Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Zoho Ulla browser on Windows operating system. So in order to download Zoho Ulla browser, you need to first go to a browser first. So you can use any browser, and I'll just simply type Zoho Ulla browser, download, hit enter. So that will show you this ulla.com. So just simply go to the official site of Ulla. So this is the official site of Ulla. So this link I'm going to provide right in our channel description, and here you can see Ulla is private, secure and Superfast. So you can easily download it for Windows. So just simply click on download for Windows. These are all license agreement. You must read this once and click on accept and download. So thank you for choosing Ulla, and our Ulla setup is rightly started downloading. So once Ulla browser gets downloaded, just simply click on this installer and you can minimize your browser. You can see that our Ulla installer is rightly opened over here. It is telling what level you want to install, whether you want a system level installation or a user level. I'll always recommend you to install system level, so that all the users who are using this computer will be able to access it. So make it system level and click on proceed. So Ulla is rightly started installing. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, and you can see it is rightly started installing, and there you go. So you can see our Ulla is rightly installed. So click on done, and you can double click on this shortcut to open our Ulla. So welcome to Ulla browser. Let's set it up and to provide your username. So let's give username as, I'm going to give username as Geeky Script. You should be giving your own username, and you can see all these different options are there. So and to use it for personal, or if you are a developer, you can make your developer as a set default. Anything you can do, all right. Or if you want to use it for work or office related purpose, you can make it set default. I am a developer, so I always develop stuff, so I'll proceed with the developer default. All right. Or if you want to give this browser to your kids or your children, then you can always proceed with kids, so they have really good features on kids as well. I'll proceed with develop. In some other video, maybe I'll be talking with other stuff like work or kids or open session and all that. Alright, I'll proceed with developer and going to click on continue. Here it is telling whether like to give some password for kid mode parental control. Again, you can always give a password if you need some parental control. For now, I'm going to just click on skip and continue. Here it is telling what type of protection you want, like you can see this list. I'll proceed with standard, so which is already selected, and click on continue. So smart dashboard, totally fine. If you want to proceed with minimalistic, then you can always select that. I'll proceed with the smart, so that's going to have all these different links, so which you recently navigated, so it's a useful one. So I'll proceed with the smart dashboard and click on continue. Again, browser theme, you can select light or dark. I'll proceed with dark. I usually code at night, so dark is I prefer, so dark and continue. And search engine, you can see all these different available. You can select anyone, alright, Google to Yahoo and any DuckDuckGo even. I'll proceed with Google and going to click on continue. It is telling whether to import some of the data from another browser if you are using. Again, you can do that. I'm going to skip this for now. And here it is telling whether like to sign in. Again, you can always create a Ulla account and you can sign in. Zoho has a very beautiful email as well, so I always recommend you to sign in. For now, I'm going to skip it and start browsing, but you should be signing in. All right. So you can maximize this. You can see we are using developer profile, and you can always switch to other mode from here. So we are in developer mode. For now, I'm going to click on not now. And here it is telling any such extension you want to run since you are a developer. I'm a web developer, so I'll select this. Basically, I code everything here. I'll just select web developer and install. So one extension for explicitly for web developer will get installed. And you can already check out all these different links that are already added, starting from Stack Overflow, Hashnode, WebDev, Figma, YouTube and everything. So let's search something. Let's go to our official website, so geekyscript.com. Hit enter, and we are into our official website of geekyscript.com. So you can check out all these different blogs that I have written. So you can create your very own screenshot tool or a screen recorder. So how you do that, everything you'll get, alright, along with video. So detailed source code are also available over here, you can see. So everything you'll get. So that's pretty much all about this video. I have showed you how to install Ulla browser and you can start working on this brand new browser. So it also shows how many time you spend, along with average daily screen time and everything, and which are all site you mostly used and all that. So yeah, so that's pretty much all about this video. If you're interested on WordPress, I highly recommend you to follow this complete WordPress tutorial playlist. So all these videos are completely free. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.